Hello friends and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about list in Java. So let us start this lecture. So lists are used to store ordered collection of data. So if you have a ordered collection such as a list of names, a list of objects, this kind of data can be stored using the list data structure. It is a data structure, so it can store many data. And another thing to understand about list is that it consists of index based access. So you can use get method or get method to access the values based on their index that is allowed in list interface. And next feature is like the classes which implement the particular list interface are array list and vector. So array list is a class which maintains an internal dynamic array to store the particular values, and it will be efficient in storing and retrieving data. And next is vector is a synchronized data structure, and it consists of it is a thread safe one, and we can store the data and retrieve the data in a thread safe manner. And next we will discuss is list iterator. So list iterator is a iterator which is available for the list type elements, and it can iterate through the collection in the forward and reverse direction. Now let us see some of the methods which are present in the list interface, and let us see. The first method is add of index, particular index and value for the particular index. So it will be adding to the particular value in a particular index. Next method is clear method. So clear method will clear all the elements from the particular set, sorry, in a list. And the next is get method. So get method will get you the particular whatever the value is present in the particular index, that will be returning you. And next is last index of. So last index of will return you the last index of the particular value. If it is if that particular index is found, then it will return you the particular index value. And next is to array. To array will convert the particular collection into an array. So for example here it is list, so list will be converted to an array. And next is contains method. So contains method will check whether a particular element is containing in the particular collection or list. Now let us see some practical programs based on list in Java. Now let us see a program based on list in Java. So list is used to store ordered collection. Now let us see the program based on it. And here you can see this is one way of declaring a list. This is called as an unmodifiable list. So this was introduced later into Java. Initial versions it was not supported, so laterly it was introduced to Java. And it is list.off. You can see I am declaring the particular values, so comma separated in the double quotes I am giving the values, and like that you can declare the unmodifiable collection, an unmodified list. And here you can see I am trying to add a particular element. It will throw an error. It will not allow us to add elements to the particular unmodifiable collection. And next thing I am trying to get the particular element. It is allowed. So I'll try to get the element. And next I am declaring another array list. And in this array list I am using add method to add a particular element. And after that add all method I am using to add multiple elements. In that I am using the as list method of the arrays. So it will get the arrays class. It will have a as list method which will be used commonly with the list, and that's how we can add the lists. And now I am using some of the other methods which are present in the array list class. And next is next time printing the particular value. And after that I am using the different methods contains remove size. All the methods I am index all the methods I am checking out one by one each values. So let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output has came. The values are getting printed. You can see the add all method has added all the values into the particular collection, and index of and all other methods are working. Contains method is working, and size method is also retrieving the value. Remove method is removing the particular value. So that's it about this program based on list. Now let us see another program based on list. Now let us see a program based on list iterator in Java. So list iterator can access the elements and iterate the elements in forward and reverse direction. So this let us see an example for that. So here I am declaring a particular list. Here you can see how I am declaring. And now arrays.as list method I'm using to avoid adding the multiple lines. Else you have to add the list items one by one, and after that I'm using the list iterator object. I'm creating a list iterator object and using the hash next and next methods. I will iterate through the particular list and print the values. Let us see the output of this program. So here you can see each list values are getting printed. So that's how about using the list iterator in Java. Now let us see another program based on list. Now in this program, let us see a data structure called as stack. So it is a class which will implement extend the vector class, which will implement vector class will implement the list interface. So that is a relationship between a list and a stack. So stack is a last in first out manner data structure, which means whatever the data which enters the data structure the last will leave the data structure the first. So that's about stack theoretically. Now let us see the program. So here you can see I am declaring the stack class and I am creating the object for it, and after that I am creating the using the push method to push the particular values. In this program we are going to push some card values and card types, and try to push and pop and access the methods, different methods in the stack class. So I am pushing the methods. Pushing means like adding, so it will add the particular elements to the particular stack, and peek method is there to peek the particular element. So it will not remove the element, it will only show you what is the last element which you have inserted, and pop method will remove the particular element from the particular stack. So let us see the output of this program. Here you can see the output. So all the methods are getting printed, and peek method and pop method is working fine. And that's it about the output of this program. So in this lecture we are seeing about list in Java. So list is a very important data structure to have. It is used to store ordered collection of data, and we have to maintain, it will maintain the insertion order. So whatever the order you are inserted the data, that will be maintained. So thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with another lecture.